activity in Concept 1. So this finishes off your first unit, super exciting, and we get to break out some microscopes. If you don't have microscopes, let me know. I have a set that I will offer for Lend. I don't have enough sets to get out to all the rest of the schools, but I can get you about 8 microscopes. Or if you got these handy, this is more not a microscope, I call them macroscopes because you're not like getting down as zoomed in, but it does let you kind of look at rocks and minerals, which is what this is. So either one of them should get you a good enough zoom that you can view what you're looking at. So what you're gonna need for this, the one part that I didn't get is the building blocks. I'll explain what those are for in a second, but you only need a microscope. You'll need sodium chloride, salt, so get some of that. And then it's asked for some carbon granules. I'm gonna keep looking to see if I can't find any. Right now I got some charcoal, which is gonna be a bit finer than what the granules would be. If I can find those, you'll see them here in a second, but otherwise I'm gonna go with that for this. The main thing is that you see that these are different and separate. So you're gonna view these through a microscope. I have a microscope that I can hook up to my camera. So I think I got that film here in my pocket. So if I just, whoop, did that work? Okay. So now you can see exactly what you would be seeing in a microscope. I'll show you guys what sodium chloride looks like, as well as if I can find the carbon granules. If not, you're looking at charcoal. I'll put a little note so you know what you're looking at. And then it just asks students to kind of, what do you notice about what you're seeing? And then it connects it to those building blocks. And so here's what you need with the building blocks. Just think about getting 2 different types of Lego blocks. So, you know, you got your 2x4 Lego blocks, and then you got a 1x2 Lego blocks. And so those could represent different elements. And those elements can kind of build on themselves, or you can have elements that bond and pair together. And that's what students are supposed to be using that to help model their thinking through, that's why you would need the building blocks. I didn't have any on hand, but I'm sure you can get Legos super cheap at a resale store, but that's what those would be for. So then it's just, they've seen it, they got to use the microscope, and then they apply that learning to those building blocks. Pretty straightforward. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that one. I'll see you guys in the next video for Concept 2.